Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you the basics on how to install and uninstall your RAM, which is your random access memory, and your HDD, which is your hard disk drive. I'm using this laptop for illustration purposes. As you can see, that's your slot for your HDD and that's your two slots for your RAM. This laptop takes 2 RAM and we're going to be installing this RAM on both of those slots for illustration. Now this is a DDR3 RAM. Every laptop will have its own unique RAM. And how we're going to install this RAM, we're going to make sure that the chip on the motherboard slots align with the slots on your DDR3 RAM. So we're going to slot it in according to the slots. And if it's just placed like this, guys, it looks like it's in, but it's not. You're going to need to press down using slight pressure. And now you can feel it's firm in there and it's going to work. All right. Now to uninstall this, you simply, there's 2 steel clips on the side. You just pop that and it just pops out. Now this is very easy, guys. You don't have to pay anyone to do this. You can do this on your own. Depending on the laptop, there could be covers and screws, but it is very simple. All right. Now for the second slot, I'm going to use the same RAM to demonstrate. So we're going to align the pins, and yet again, it looks like it's in now, but it's not. We're going to need to press down. Now the second slot has some plastic clips as an addition here. So I'm going to take my small screwdriver to lever the pins carefully. Be sure not to break the clips or pins on the side, guys, or inflict any damage to the RAM. I'm gently opening up the pins while I slot in this RAM. Guys, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. And now it's slotting in. All right, and now it's slotted in, guys. We can see that everything is aligned. The clips are holding it firmly, so it will not come out and it will definitely read. All right, now to uninstall this, guys, same procedure, just unhitch the clips and it pops out. And that's how to install and uninstall your RAM. Now for your HDD or SSD, this is a SATA HDD. Very simple. Also, you just pop out a cover. Now I've popped out the cover on the laptop already. You just pop out the cover on your laptop. There may be screws. And you take your HDD or SDD, ensure the pins line up, and you just slot it in. And as you can see, a nice snug fit. Very simple, very easy to do. Again, you don't have to pay anyone to do this. If you know what you're doing, it can be very simple. To uninstall it, simply move it backwards and it pops out.